Welcome back. Today we'll fix the broken plastic with baking soda and super glue. So what you're gonna do is make the stuff clean first and then join it as it's shaped and then pour some baking soda on it and then super glue. Make sure you have using a sheet below it because it will heat up like 100 Celsius something. So make sure you are using safety gloves as well. I am doing it in every day, that's why I'm not using. So here you go. Place some baking soda and some Alfie more. Alfie, Super Glue, Jimsa, anything. In Pakistan, we have these available, so we're gonna use these. After that, just clean the stuff and sanding a little bit, and then we will place it back to the main plastic. It's a YBR side panel, so I'm gonna join it back. Some super glue connected first, and now baking soda. You can see it's fully connected. So that's all for today. See you in the next video very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comments. Thanks for watching.